Go.
Hi everyone, my name is Mary from Kuria. I joined Pitman in April where I was taking a course in Excel Expert. I journeyed with Pitman for those past few months where I really enjoyed the course. When I came to Pitman, I was just looking for a skill. I just for once wanted to invest in myself, and I wanted to invest in myself by having something, adding professional value, something that tomorrow I will just do. It's not that investment that will go. And I would say that I got it here. How everything has been placed for us to be able to access the information, the videos, the demos, the notes, and also the staff who are able to assist here and there when you're stranded. So I really enjoyed each and every step. It was easy to understand, and when it's difficult, I had someone to assist. So I would definitely recommend Pitman, not for just the good service, but they have professionalism in everything that they do. And the one thing that I will say about this institution, they don't give up on their students. Many times I would go off the grid for like even 2 weeks. I've not logged in or anything, but they will call me and check up. Is there any issue? Are you stranded? How can we help? So that push is very important, especially for us who are really working, caught up in family and so many things. It was really nice to have a partner who journeyed with me in this adventure. I've started investing in myself, and there are so many professional courses I'm going to take up, and I'll just continue partnering with Pitman.